Hello students. Today after completing the two lessons of history, today we are going to start next chapter of civics, that is chapter number 3, what is government. See students, you have many times many more times you have heard the word government. Government, GOVERNMENT, government. You must have heard this word government as well as heard in the newspaper, on the television, as well as at the time of speaking also you have heard this word government. Today in this chapter we are going to study about the government, what is government, and what is government, and what is the important role in our life of the government. This is the actually this is the concept of this lesson, that what is government and how government plays an important role in our lives. See on your screen you can see that there are some headlines are there. See on your screen you can see some headlines are related to the government. Government sought to protect rights to unorganized workers. See the first line. Then second headline, detailed plan to tackle floods soon, says government. Then next one, government fixes prices of onions, says no shortage in market. Then Supreme Court can have 5 more judges, government. The next one, government for revamping coal and power sector. And the last one, over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. See, these are the different headlines related to the government. Actually these headlines suggest or shows us the work of the government in different areas, in different sections. So students, just you have to write all these headlines one by one here in blue box. Look at the newspaper headlines above and list the different kinds of activities that the government is reported to be doing in these newspaper headlines. It means that you have to write all these headlines one by one. Actually these headlines suggest the activities done by the government. So students, see, every country needs a government. Government means शासन, सरकार असं आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये. तर काय होतं की एव्हरी कंट्री नीड्स अ गव्हर्नमेंट. प्रत्येक देशाला गव्हर्नमेंटची किंवा शासन सरकारची गरज असते का, टू मेक डिसिजन्स. सी वाय गव्हर्नमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टंट, टू टेक डिसिजन्स अँड गेट थिंग्स डन, टू इम्प्लिमेंट द थिंग्स, टू गेट थिंग्स डन. आपल्याला गव्हर्नमेंटची का गरज आहे, तर डिसिजन, आपल्या देशाशी रिलेटेड असलेले सगळे डिसिजन्स घेण्यासाठी, त्याचबरोबर त्या डिसिजनचे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करण्यासाठी आपल्याला गव्हर्नमेंटची गरज असते. आपल्यालाच नव्हे तर इवन एव्हरी कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. See, every country in the world needs a government to take decisions and to get things done. So different types of work done by the government, just like building roads. See, building roads, electric supply, water supply, decisions related to the education and the schools, as well as some social issues are also done by the government. Just like social issues means several programs arranging several programs to help the poor, as well as to it does other important things such as running postal and railway services, post services, railway services. All these things, all these activities are related to the government. It means that government takes different decisions related to the these different sections. As well as what does government do, the other things related to the government are as well as protecting the boundaries of the nations. See, our India, in our India there are the different boundaries, like boundaries of Pakistan, here China. So it is the work of the government to protect the boundaries of India. See, this is the another activity of government, protecting the boundaries of the country as well as maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. See, गव्हर्नमेंटचं अजून काय काम आहे, तर आपल्या बाउंड्रीचं रक्षण करणं तर आहे, त्याचबरोबर पीसफुल रिलेशनशिप इतर देशांच्या बरोबर ठेवणं हे सुद्धा गव्हर्नमेंटचं काम आहे. मैत्रीपूर्ण संबंध इतर देशांशी ठेवणं, फ्रेंडली रिलेशन्स, पीसफुल रिलेशन्स टू कीप विथ द अदर कंट्रीज. सो this government is very important, which plays an important role in our lives. As well as our government thinks about the health of the nation. See, health of the nation, our government takes decision related to the health of the nation. Just students, you can see we are facing one pandemic, that is corona. that is pandemic corona. So we are facing so severely this corona that our government is taking different types of decisions related to the health of the public, health of the नेशन. म्हणजे जसं तुम्ही आता बघताय की आपला देश कोरोना या महामारीला फेस करतोय. मग गव्हर्नमेंट काय करतं तर डिफरंट डिसिजन्स घेतं की रिलेटेड टू द एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी काय असेल ह्या काळामध्ये, किंवा मंदिरं खुली करावीत का करू नयेत हे डिसिजन्स कोण घेत आहे, किंवा त्याचबरोबर हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीज पुरवणं, किंवा मेडिकल फॅसिलिटीज पुरवणं, म्हणजे ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी. मग आता त्याचबरोबर आपण अजून एक गोष्ट ऑब्झर्व करतो की मार्केटमध्ये असलेले ओनियनचे भाव वाढतच चाललेले आहेत, की तो आपल्या देशातील लोकांना ओनियन एक सहज किमतीमध्ये उपलब्ध व्हावा, कमी किमतीत उपलब्ध व्हावा, हे सुद्धा डिसिजन कोण घेतं तर गव्हर्नमेंट घेतं. सो see students, it means that government takes decision related to the health, related to the education, as well as related to the food, as well as sometime we face natural disasters just like tsunami, or the earthquake, or the flood. So these are the natural disasters. फ्लड, पूर येणं किंवा अर्थक्वेक, भूकंप असणं, सुनामी येणं, ह्या सगळ्या नॅचरल डिझास्टर्स ज्या येतात आणि आपण लोक जी फेस करतो, आपली कंट्री जी फेस करते. सो our government also takes decision related to these natural disasters, as well as provide facilities, organizes aid and the assistance to the affected people. Aid and the assistance means लोकांना मदत पुरवणं ह्या काळामध्ये, किंवा हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीज पुरवणं, हे सगळं कोण करतं तर गव्हर्नमेंट. सो गव्हर्नमेंट इज necessary for the each country to handle the country, to keep balance in the country. Government plays an important role. So if you think, as well as some major things also handled by the governments. For example, crime, you can see there are crimes are there, disputes are there, wars are there. All these political affairs also handled by the government and protect the people. Then as well as one more thing about is that when human beings live and work together, there needs to some amount of organization. So decisions can be, मग ही लोक जेव्हा एकत्रित आपल्या ऑर्गनायझेशन्स करतात, मग त्या गव्हर्नमेंटच्या समोर मांडतात आणि गव्हर्नमेंट त्या डिसिजन्स त्यांचे फॉलो करतं. ऑन युअर स्क्रीन यू कॅन सी दॅट देअर इज अ पिक्चर. सी सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स दॅट आर पार्ट ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट. अशा काही इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स आहेत की ते आपल्या गव्हर्नमेंटच्या पार्ट आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, it is also an institution related to the government which takes decision related to the political affairs, crimes, disputes. As well as the Indian railways, you can see Indian railways, central government's आहे railways. As well as the Bharat Petroleum, here you can see. So all these institutions are related to the government and works with the help of the assistance of the government. See, then can you list 3 things that the government does which have not been mentioned? मग तुम्ही अशा काहीतरी 3 गोष्टी सांगा की ज्या गव्हर्नमेंट करतं पण आपण आता आपल्या लेसन मध्ये मेन्शन केलेल्या नाही. सो यू स्टुडंट्स, यू हॅव टू ऍड these 3 things. Then see, some rules have to be made that apply to everyone. For example, there is a need to control resources and protect the territory of a country, so people can feel secure. Governments do this on behalf of their people by exercising leadership, taking decisions and implementing this among all the people living in their territory. आणि मग टेरिटरीज बाउंड्रीज प्रोटेक्ट करणं, लोकांच्या मदतीनं हेल्पनं ते प्रोटेक्शन देणं, हे सगळं गव्हर्नमेंट करतं. नाउ सी द लेवल्स ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट. सी देर इज अनदर पॉइंट, लेवल्स ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट. गव्हर्नमेंट वर्क्स ऑन 3 levels. सी स्टुडंट्स, गव्हर्नमेंट वर्क्स ऑन 3 levels, that is local level, state level and the national level. How government works? Government works on 3 levels: local level, state level and national level. On these 3 levels our government works. See, local level means what? The local level means in your village, town or locality. See, local level, how government works on your local level? Local level means your village, town or locality. तुमच्या ग्रामीण भागात, शहरामध्ये किंवा जवळपास तुमच्या लोकॅलिटीमध्ये काम करणं म्हणजे लोकल लेवल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बिल्डिंग रोड्स, क्लिनिंग गार्बेजेस, supply of water. Such a type of work done by the government with the help of the, for example, gram panchayat. So this is a local level. Then state level would means that which covers an entire state level means what, covers the entire state, the work with the entire state. For example, if the central government works in Maharashtra, Haryana, or Assam, it is a state level related to the entire state. And the last one, that is the national level relates to the entire country. See, national level work related to the entire country. See, you will read about how local level government functions, and when you see here, you can see a map. See, here you can see a political map of India. Here is a political map of India. It means that when our government works or functions to the entire country, entire nation, it is a national work. See here, then if our government works only for the state level, for example, only for the Maharashtra, only for the Madhya Pradesh, only for the Uttar Pradesh, so this is the state level work. And if your government works on your village, on your locality, on your town, it is called a local level work. See, on your screen you can see that there is a map of India. It is a political map of India which shows the different states, their capitals, as well as their boundaries. If you observe this map, you can see this is a political map of India. It shows the different states, their capitals, and their boundaries. So see student, this is a political map of India. Here you can see the another map of India. See, here you can see another map of India. It is a administrative divisions. See, it is a map of administrative divisions of India. It means that here in this map, state has shown, as well as the different districts are shown. That is most important. You should know that this map is not only related to the states, but shows the different districts in each state. See, this map shows the district म्हणजे जिल्हे in each states. So students, you should observe these two maps, this one and this political map of India and administrative divisions. On our government, if our government works on a, see, our government works on a state level, it is called a state level. And then if our government works on a entire nation, it is a national level work. So students, in this way our government works on three levels, that is local level, state level, and national level. So what you have to do, see, one question has given for you. See, look at the maps on pages 29 and 30. They show the states, union territories, and districts of India. Find out the following information from these maps and various other resources. See, just we have seen the political map of India and the administrative map of India. आता आपण जे दोन मॅप ऑब्झर्व केले त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला हा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करायचा, हे वर्क कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. नेम ऑफ द नेबर्स ऑफ इंडिया. इंडियाचे नेबर्स कोण कोण आहेत? नेबरिंग कंट्रीज. You have to write just like Pakistan, neighboring countries, just like see, here you can see Pakistan is our neighboring country. Then here China, Nepal, these are our neighboring countries. You have to mention this. Then next question, see, name of your state. तुम्ही तुमच्या स्टेटचे नाव लिहा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल महाराष्ट्र or Union Territory and its neighbors. See, name of your state, your state is Maharashtra. Now you have to write the neighbors of Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्राच्या नेबरला कोण कोण आहे बघा बरं. अपसाइड मध्य प्रदेश, here गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, then here तेलंगणा, कर्नाटका, here Chhattisgarh. See, these are the neighboring states of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is your state and you have to write the neighboring states, means upside Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, downside Telangana and Karnataka, as well as Goa. See, Goa remain. So you have to write the answers with the help of these maps. Name of your district and its neighbors. Now you have to write the name of your district. तुमचा district जिल्हा कोणता? For example Kolhapur, for example Sangli, whatever district you have to write the other neighboring districts. देन रूट्स फ्रॉम युअर डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू द नॅशनल कॅपिटल. तुम्हाला तुमच्या ह्याच्यापासून डिस्ट्रिक्ट पासून नॅशनल कॅपिटल पर्यंत जाणारा आपल्याला एक रूट दाखवायचा आहे. So students, you have to complete this work with the help of these two charts. Then exercise, another question is given. Look at the statements in the column on the left. Can you identify which label belong to? Place tick marks against the label you consider most appropriate. Just see students, here some statements are given. You can see here some statements are given, and what you have to do, you have to read these statements carefully and make a tick mark. See, make a tick mark. Is this statement related to the local work, local government, state government or central government? म्हणजे काय करायचं की स्टेटमेंट्स रीड करायचे. स्टेटमेंट्स रीड केल्यानंतर ते कोणत्या लेवलचं वर्क आहे, गव्हर्नमेंटचं लोकल लेवलचं आहे, स्टेट लेवलचं आहे का सेंट्रल लेवलचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बघूया आपण, एक एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करूया. फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आय एम गोइंग टू रीड. The decision of the government of India to maintain peaceful relations with Russia. आता हे जे डिसिजन आहे की द डिसिजन ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, आपल्या गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियानं एक डिसिजन घेतलेला आहे काय, टू मेंटेन पीसफुल रिलेशन्स, की मैत्रीपूर्ण शांततापूर्ण संबंध ठेवायचे कोणाशी, विथ रशिया. मग आता गव्हर्नमेंटचं हे जे वर्क आहे ते कोणत्या लेवलचं आहे, लोकल लेवलचं आहे का, की ह्या गावातून ह्या विलेजपासून त्या विलेजपर्यंत, रॉंग. स्टेट, ह्या महाराष्ट्रापासून गुजरातपर्यंत आहे का, नो. So it is from India to Russia. See, it shows the relationship between India to Russia. So it is a central level. You have to put mark in the central level. कोणत्या प्रकारचं फंक्शन आहे गव्हर्नमेंटचं आपल्या, तर सेंट्रल लेवलचं हे फंक्शन आहे. So you have to put mark in the central. This is the correct answer. Then the decision of the government of West Bengal on whether to have board exam in class 8 for all government schools. See, now this is the another decision of government of India related to the state. See, particular state has described here, mentioned here, particular state has mentioned here, that is West Bengal. So this is the decision of the government related to, is it local, no. Is it state, correct. This is a decision related to the state level, so you should put a mark in the state level, state. So students, in this way you have to finish this exercise work and the map work. Till remaining part of the lesson we will see to the next session. Okay.